Sit down. Where you at?
I was going to the store. I need to buy something.
Oh, let me sit down. Well, let me walk.
Hey, you guys, this is the Havana room. Uh-oh. We have lots of game tables in here. Lots of seating area. Morning, no, you're good.
I don't want to be in your picture. Marilyn, this is what I was. Marilyn, look.
Even rocking chairs. This is the Havana room, and this is the Havana. We're going to the bar. Seating areas, and then later on they have a band that plays there. Refreshment bar. And for those of you that are staying on the Havana floor, you have a wristband, and what you do is going to swipe at that door. The door is going to turn green. You're going to walk on through. You're going to see like this guy's about to do it right now.
You check them out. Make sure I did it right. You're welcome. Hey y'all, it's your girl Sean, and you're watching Cruising on Vacay Mode. Don't forget about our live. We go live every Sunday at 6 p.m. Central Time, so come on in and chat with us.